Hi, this is Darla Youldon from Remax Escarpment.
And this is Mark Woehrle from Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest listing at Unit 8, 55 Madonna on the West Hamilton Mountain.
This is a beautiful 3-bedroom townhome with 2.5 bathrooms, single-car garage, and a kitchen to die for. You must see it.
Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at Unit 8, 55 Madonna on the West Hamilton Mountain.
If you're interested in booking an appointment to see this property, or you have questions about buying or selling in Hamilton, please give me a call at 289-888-1987. That's Darla.
And my name is Mark Woehrle, 905-512-1846.